Hi everyone, this is my seventh video in the series of building agents with Agent.ai, and this one talks about leveraging Perplexity with Agent.ai. And so in this example, I'm just going to show you the agent that was built, take you through what the different steps are rather than actually build it from scratch, and then I'll show you the output. So here what I have is uh, an agent that will help me go figure out websites that I can backlink to. So it analyzes vast amounts of data to identify high quality relevant websites that I can then potentially go backlink to. It, can look at factors like domain authority, relevance, traffic, to provide the list of partners that I can then go reach out to say, I would like to backlink to your website. Uh, so that's kind of the description. I have my agent username, the trigger, I run this manually, and this is the key part of it, the actions. The first step is I ask the user to enter the topic they're interested in, save it in out.topic. From that, and this is where I'm calling Perplexity. And here again, it's as simple as selecting any other LLM engine. I'm selecting Perplexity and I'm saying, you are an expert in SEO strategy specializing in link building, and my goal is to improve the domain authority of my website by acquiring high quality backlinks for the topic. And here I'm passing the topic that is going to be passed. And then I'm saying generate a list of potential websites that publish content to accept guests. So then I'm also saying provide guidance on how I could actually reach out to these websites for backlink opportunities. And that's then stores in out.backlinks. And then this last step is to just show that output. So if we were to look at this and then we run this, what it looks like. So here I gave it a topic college visits. And what it's now done is it's gone. And it basically says that there are educational institutes, and it found some websites that have this high DA score. And then it's found industry specific forums and blogs and found websites from that, directories and resource pages. And so these are all websites that have a strong presence as far as this particular topic goes, and that would be good to do a backreach to. And then here you can see a proposal where I can send an email to saying, hey, I'd like to do a guest post on college visits on your website, or I'd like to add my website to your resource page. And these are just two simple emails I could send them. Obviously, it's got some more tips for it. So again, very, very simple example of how to use Perplexity now with Agent AI. I'm actually showing you an agent that is probably relevant and useful to a lot of you if you're looking to go find backlinking websites for your website.